Namaste team, I am Guruji from Trading Emotions channel. Welcome to our Trading Emotion channel. Today what we discussed, discussion is the entire discussion based on the market profile, and whatever the market profile provide information to us, based on that I am providing levels. I am not providing my own, so keep this in your back of the mind. Okay, what we discussed yesterday we discussed that if market opening flat, wait for first 30 minutes if going up that direction or going down that direction. So what happened, market open flat and moving up, and first 30 minutes itself they got a acceptance inside this value area, and I took a entry what I discussed yesterday. The second 15 minutes candle slow I put as a SL, and I waited for till here. Then I booked. The same booked details are posted in our Telegram channel, and we are going to start a new market profile batch January 2023. The details will be provided in our Telegram channel, further details. So the link, Telegram channel link provided in description box, you can join there. Okay, and I booked here, then I waited. Again there was a one entry after 145 45, then again entered, again 20 points booked. Today on CE side, it's very clearly we told that if market going up there is a CE, no PE recommendation was given in the live market also. Okay, what could be the thought process tomorrow? What could be the market providing the information, market profile? Again, this structure is poor structure. Market profile students, our students are knows very well. There is a 3 anomaly in this structure. We don't know whether tomorrow itself clear or day after tomorrow. We don't know when this anomalies will clear. Okay, so what market providing the information is, there is a smart money zone at 18,585. There is a smart money zone here. So if market again opening flat, that means above value area high, and any acceptance today's high, go for a CE. The first target could be 18,585, and from here spending time and getting acceptance here, go for another CE or trail your SL from here. That could be 18,650 is a tomorrow's CE's target. This is one thought process. Okay, if market opening flat going up, so any rejection from today's high, so you wait for the market, wherever market wants to wait for the another price action. Based on that, don't go for a PE immediately. So any acceptance inside the value area, go for a PE towards 18,400 is our downside level. This is the second scenario when market opening flat. Okay, what about gap down opening? That means what about market opening here? Don't go for a PE, just wait. Any rejection from 18,405, go for a CE. Towards first is a day high clearing, day high testing. Second could be a 18,585 is a target for CE side. This is the third scenario. Gap down we discussed, flat opening we discussed. What about gap up opening? Gap up, that could be a not good scenario for us to trade. Anyhow, if market opening above 18,585, this gap up could be the range bound market. This gap up could be a balanced market. We can see tomorrow based on the price action. Any information I am getting in the live market, I will provide in the Telegram channel. This is a Nifty December contract future we are discussing. If you are liking our channel, please click the like button. If you are not till now not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. Please post your feedback in comment box. Thank you very much.